This is not a dream.
Hi guys, so as of now I'm solving the first alphabet A, B and C. That makes the first cross. So you see I'm making the cross, the white cross that meets the middle colors. I'm solving the D now with the sequence. The D, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. Solving each corner. So after a few rotations, it solves. Now, notice I'm solving the E now. I'm picking the middle colors, two middle colors that are not yellow, and fixing them or arranging them in the middle side. So after this sequence of events, the two layers will be solved. Now what next? Notice, yes, the two layers are solved. So, trying to solve the top cross. And now everything is done. Here, we just multiply through. And simplifying. AB has a coefficient of 1. Factorizing AB out. Finally, minus 6 plus 1 can be rearranged as 1 minus 6. That will give us negative 5. Hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. The rest is in simplified today. Both hands motion. Samsung.